welcome back to my YouTube channel. Yes, so first thing I would like to share is that your relationships will change. As you know that I have a home base and my friends are still, like, some of my friends are still in the city, but it gets so difficult to meet them. Like साल में मैं एक या दो बार ही मिल पाती हूँ, unless like birthdays पे तो मिलना ही पड़ता है, but उसके अलावा even if I try to meet them, it gets so difficult because आपका जो lifestyle बन जाता है एविएशन में आके, not many people will understand that unless you get understanding friends. And it's also like तुम सब कुछ समझा नहीं सकते उनको तुम्हारे जॉब के बारे में. They get a picture of it but they will also be like observing from outside तुम्हारा जो lifestyle रहेगा, so they will not get to know everything that you're going through. Thing is आपका जो off रहता है, you either choose to sleep, have food or do your chores or go out and meet them. या तो घर पे बुला लो. हर week you are like अब मिलेंगे अब मिलेंगे अब मिलेंगे, but it gets pushed out. Also most of my friends are corporate, you know, corporate girlies or corporate people, so they get weekends off. I don't, I can't choose my off. My off gets shifted every month. Like अगर इस मंथ मेरे वेंसडे थर्सडे ऑफ मिल रहा है, नेक्स्ट मंथ मेरा वो थर्सडे फ्राइडे हो सकता है, या तो ट्यूसडे वेंसडे हो सकता है. सो आई डोंट गेट टू चूज माई ऑफ. सो it gets very tough to manage the timings and everything. As you all know कि कॉर्पोरेट वालों को भी कॉर्पोरेट वालों से मिलने में प्रॉब्लम हो जाता है. थिंक अबाउट आवर लाइफस्टाइल कि तुम फ्लाइट्स कर रहे हो एंड उसमें से ही तुम्हें अपना टाइम निकाल के अब प्लान्स बनाने पड़ते हैं. सो दिस वॉज अ पॉइंट. माई मदर नोज हाउ डिफिकल्ट इट गेट्स. कभी कभी तो मैं ले ओवर पे भी कॉल करना रह जाता है बिकॉज इधर आई एम स्लीपिंग, इधर आई एम हैविंग फूड, ऐसा. सो शी ऑल्सो अंडरस्टैंड्स कि अच्छा वॉइस मेल छोड़ देती है मेरी मम्मी. शी इज़ सो क्यूट कि अच्छा सो रही है क्या, उठ के कॉल करना. और शी जस्ट ड्रॉप्स द टेक्स्ट कि अच्छा पहुंच गई थी ना होटल, ऐसा ऐसा. सो यू गेट वेरी आउट ऑफ प्लेस समटाइम्स कि अरे यार, मतलब या तो तुम्हारी नींद पूरी नहीं होगी, या तो तुम भूखे रह जाओगे, या तो तुम इतने थक जाओगे कि तुम किसी को मैसेज करना भूल जाओगे. सो दीज थिंग हैपन एंड उसमें भी you need to have a social life. Having a social life gets very difficult, but it's on you how you manage and how you make them understand that it's not easy for me as well, and I will make time for you, make them understand and coordinate along. Another thing I want to talk about is this job is more demanding than you think. So first of all, it's not like मुझे उस दिन छुट्टी चाहिए मुझे मिल जाएगा. It's not always like that. There will be days where you don't want to go on work but you won't be able to report sick. Why you won't be able to report sick, that's a different thing, but there will be days when you won't be feeling that well, where you be feeling anxious, तुम्हारी तबीयत ख़राब लग रही है, मन नहीं कर रहा है, नींद पूरा नहीं हुआ है, but you still have to go and do your job. So उस टाइम पे you know, your passion really gets tested. Why it gets more demanding? Because हमारा कुछ say नहीं है चीज़ों में. You get your flights, you get your layovers, and you just have to do it. You can bid, of course. You can bid for your flights, you can bid for your off, you can bid for you know, off on special days. But if you don't get it, then you can't do anything about it. You just have to go for your job, and yeah, it gets demanding on your health. तुम घर आओगे and then you'll think या मैं कुछ ऐसा खा लेती हूँ तुरंत बन जाएगा, या तो कुछ ऑर्डर कर देती हूँ, and then it's the same thing every day. So just imagine कि हर दिन वो हो रहा है and it accumulates and then you have destroyed your health. So you know, choosing healthy option is a very important thing in this job because you know, I'll tell you a thing. क्या हुआ कि I was with a crew and we were doing a layover and she did not eat milk, she did not eat fast food. Like हम लोग सोच रहे थे लेवर पे बाहर जाके पानी पूरी खाएंगे, उसने बोला नहीं मैं नहीं खाऊंगी. She was so you know, like वो healthy options चूज़ करी थी एंड उसे देख के it motivated me as well. Like खाने के बाद she was walking, उसके बाद you know टाइम पे सो रही थी and I was like यार it's not that tough. It's just हमारा मन जो रहता है ना, you need to control that because every day choosing the other option that is more easy will someday become a very big consequence in your life. That's why this job is more demanding than you think. Another thing is aviation will change you. Whether it is communication, you need to handle passengers, like 200 passengers every day. It comes with different, different demands. Everyone has a different demand. Everyone has, a different opinion about a thing, and you have to go along with it. वो सब साथ लेके आपको चलना पड़ेगा. If I say that I have become more confident after joining aviation, and I'm very happy to have that in my life, because every day you meet so many passengers. You also develop a skill of handling passengers, कि ना प्यार से भी but tactfully how to handle them and how to उनके रिक्वेस्ट को ऐसे सॉल्व करना कि तुम्हारे लिए भी वो नहीं हो and they are also happy at it. Okay, the glamour that you see is only 10% of your job. So as you can see, I'm in a hotel. You post pictures, you are going to nice places, you are roaming around the world, around India mostly. So yes, it is glamorous, but at the same time nobody sees the other side of it, कि यहाँ मतलब तुम्हारी नींद पूरी नहीं हुई है, तुम्हारा हेल्थ ठीक नहीं है, you wanted a sick leave but उस दिन भी तुम्हें काम पे जाना पड़ गया. It's the same thing every day, and the glamour धीरे धीरे it goes away because you get used to things, and sometimes you just want to choose peace instead of going through everything. Glamour is there, but it plays a very small role in the whole aviation, because aviation comes with a lot of responsibility. You have for example, another day I was doing Jeddah, and coming here we had a medical emergency on board. So I was the one like who came across her. उन्होंने कॉल बेल दबाया था. Old lady passenger, she was not able to breathe, and you need to calm yourself first, because अगर तुम ही इतना वो जाओगे ना, वो देख के पैसेंजर तो और हो जाएगा. उसके बाद we gave her oxygen. पता चला she had asthma, so we paid for a doctor, medical kit खुला, first aid kit खुला and everything. So you need to be responsible, and when it is time to handle the responsibility, you have to be confident enough कि तुम ऐसे नहीं कि नहीं मेरे से नहीं होगा. So इस job में you will encounter these situations very often. So this was another thing I will talk about. Is you will learn to control your emotions. The best thing in aviation is every day is a new day. हो सकता है today you started your day and nothing is going your way. मॉर्निंग में तुम रिपोर्टिंग में थोड़े लेट हो गए, लीड ने बोल दिया, बेस वालों ने बोल दिया, फिर एयरक्राफ्ट में जाके कुछ पैसेंजर से कुछ आर्ग्यूमेंट हो गया, पैसेंजर ने चिल्ला दिया, फिर मील सर्विस के टाइम में किसी को मील गलती से सर्व हो गया तो उसमें लीड ने चिल्ला दिया, पैसेंजर ने बोल दिया. सो हो सकता है फिर तुम कुछ करते करते तुम्हें लग गया. सो यू विल थिंक दैट कुछ नहीं हो रहा है, मतलब everything is going wrong and this is not your day. But at the end of the day, tomorrow will be a new day and you have your chance to make everything right. So ऐसे encounters के बाद you will learn to manage your emotions. You will first of all learn to accept what is happening and just accept it, and उसे लेके you just move on. Also another thing that I have learned in this industry, that I have stopped holding grudges, because हो सकता है तुम्हारा किसी क्रू के साथ उस दिन कुछ हो गया है और वो पैसेंजर, एंड यू विल नॉट गोना मीट देम अगेन. क्रू के साथ भी होता है कि कभी कभी तुम्हारा ट्यूनिंग अच्छा नहीं बैठ रहा है, बट इट्स फाइन. you will not be flying with her. So that's the thing in aviation, that तुम्हारा कोई बॉस नहीं है कि तुम्हें हर दिन जाके उसका एक चेहरा देखना है. एंड देयर आर वेरी नाइस पीपल इन एविएशन, जो उनसे मिल के ना यू लाइक कि यार, imagine every day you meet someone new, you fly with them, and then at the end of the day it doesn't even feel like कि यार आज ही तो मिले थे, इतना अच्छा bonding हो गया. You go out on layovers, you share your meal, and अगर अच्छा कोई करता है ना तो तुम्हें भी मन करता है कि यार अच्छा करने का. So this is that कि, and there are people who will support you. तुम जो भी whatever you are going through, they will also relate, they will give suggestions कि तुम ऐसा करो ऐसा करो. There are very nice people in aviation. So with aviation you also learn to manage your emotions. someday you feel lonely, someday you know your heart is full after meeting so many nice crew, your set of crew is amazing and you want to fly with them again and again and again. So this is there. And lastly, I will like a little harsh, but aviation is not for everyone. Like I'm sure you would think कि अरे यार ये तो मैं भी कर सकती हूँ, फ्लाई तो करना है, बस यही तो करना है, यही तो करना है. But the moment you step in the aircraft and you are the only 4 or 5 people who these passengers are dependent on, you will realize that you will have to do everything, and the training will also make you learn that. So in the training itself you'll get to know, and trust me, the training, whatever you learn in training is just the emergency procedures. Customer service तो it's 10%, लास्ट में एकदम तुम लोग को सिखाएंगे, बट जो तुम्हें असली में जाके एयरक्राफ्ट में करना है, दैट्स you learn with flying. So and everything that comes with it, aviation में the background, the things that happen in the background is what will make you realize that either you can do it for 15 years or nah, ये नहीं होगा, मैं कुछ और कर लेती हूँ. Because many people leave it in the middle. I have heard that training के बाद एक दो महीने fly करके they realize कि नहीं यार, this lifestyle is not for me. I thought कि ऐसा होगा, but in reality it's not like that. And मैं ये लंबे टाइम तक तो नहीं कर पाऊँगी. एक साल में करके दे लीव. नो, ऑफ कोर्स यू कैन ट्राई फॉर इट, एक साल करके, 2 साल करके, एंड यूल गेट टू नो कि इफ इट इज़ योर कप ऑफ टी और नॉट. बट या, आई जस्ट वांटेड टू keep that out there कि aviation is not for everyone. That was it for the video, guys. I hope you liked it, and I will be back with another video. Until then, like, subscribe and share with everyone. Bye bye.